Want to know one of the worst things about riding a motorcycle? You can probably guess. But yeah, wanting to go eat or go anywhere, and it's been raining. So I just gotta sit here and wait. By the way, I already ordered my food, so it's pretty much sitting there and getting cold. Back on the Duke Powell Vlogs. You're probably wondering, Duke, where the hell are we? And what is this like shady looking cave-like area that you're in? But yeah, I'm just I'm riding around throughout Mandeville, and I found this like abandoned house. But the view, oh my gosh, the view is incredible. Take a look. Don't look at the house. The house looks like garbage. But this view, look at that. See everything. This is amazing. To me, anyways. You might be looking at it and saying, what am I looking at, or this sucks, but maybe the view is not that special. Maybe you guys look at it and say, you know, it looks like garbage. But to me, the view wouldn't wow. Anyways, that's what I'm doing. Pointless, roaming around somebody else's property, looking at an old house and the view. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.